Hello, Barbara.
Hello, Alton.
I understand CSOP recently launched a A-share ETF, which I personally think has a great potential. Can you let us know more about this ETF?
Sure. CSOP recently launched a new ETF 3003, which is tracking the MSCI China A 50 index. People may ask, oh, what does it include? It implements a very diversified sectors, and it also have a balanced sector diversification and also the distribution in terms of the underlying constituents. So it's more in line with the China's real economic development growth, as we are not only focusing on the old economy, but also the real economy that supports the GDP of China.
I understand. By the way, I understand CSOP also got another A-share ETF 2822, which follow FTSE China A50. How does these two ETF compare?
So unlike our FTSE A50 ETF 2822, so the new ETF 3003 actually avoids overweighting on financial stocks. So it becomes a better representation of the performance of China, a new economy, and also the old economy. So the ETF has a balanced and diversified allocation among China A-shares industry, covering more leading stocks, not only focusing on the old economy like Multi or the banks, but also the new economy, for example, Cato, and also the Longyi constituents. So it's more forward-looking instead of just tracking the those who perform well in the past.
I understand. And at the same time, Hong Kong Exchange also launched a A-share index future recently, and it is also following the same index of this 3003. Would the index future itself give some positive impact to your ETF?
Yeah, we see the daily trading volumes of the A50, the MSCI A50 futures are quite active around $600 million in average. So showing investors actually they're willing and also interested in investing into China. So the 3003, the new ETF, actually give another option for investor. They can use ETF, a physical ETF, to invest or to enter Chinese market, the A-shares market, instead of just only using futures.
I see. By the way, what is the price of the 3003 now? What is the lot size and what is the minimum investment amount?
Because the ETF just launched for less than a week, so the stock price is around 7.7, 7.8 honky dollars. For lot size, it's 100 shares per lot. If your quick calculation is less than $800 Hong Kong dollars. So it's very cost effective or low cost when comparing to if you're buying individual stocks, and also a better diversification, avoiding the single name risk. So investor may be interested in using ETF to enter the Chinese A-shares market.
I see. Lastly, if investors are interested in 3003, how can they participate?
Just like normal stock or other ETFs investor bought before, they actually can trade in various banks or securities brokers firm like Phillips. Also, I would like to ask Alton, do you guys have any advantage or benefits that investor when trading in Phillip Securities?
Sure. Thanks for passing me the commercial time as well. Yeah, we also think that ETF trading or ETF investment generally is a pretty good kind of investment because it is a diversified way, and following index is also a passive way of investment. So actually in Phillip, when customer invest for any amount less than 15,000 Hong Kong, we charge zero commission. And because ETF trading in Hong Kong also does not charge any stamp duty. So if you buy through Phillip, the investment cost is really low. So, and at the end, we also have to tell everyone when it comes to investment, whether it is stocks or fund or ETF, make sure you understand all the risks because all the price can go up and down. So beware in all your investments.
Yeah, for further product details or product risk, feel free to check out our CSOP website and stay tuned. We'll hope to bring more ETFs and more trading ideas to all of you.
Thank you, Barbara.
Thank you, Alton.
多謝大家睇我哋嘅片段啦。如果咧你對以上嘅片段係感興趣嘅話咧，希望你俾個 like 我哋啦，或者 share 我哋嘅片段啦，或者 subscribe 或者撳個鐘啦。如果有任何嘅投資嘅意見啊，或者嘅 comment 啊、意見嘅回饋咧，都希望你咧喺留言區入邊咧同我哋講翻。多謝你。